Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of our van build series. In this video I will cover the making and installation of the door cards. For the door cards I used 4mm plywood overlaid with fabric. In this case I used a fabric that had a vinyl backing, which in hindsight might not have been a good choice. I think a stretchable fabric would have been a better choice. So far the spray glue has held and it still looks good 2 years on. I'm using paper to create an outline for the template I'm going to make. I could have used butcher paper here, but I just used whatever I had on hand. Using a pencil, I'm just tracing out the outline of where I want the template edges to be. I'm applying this rough outline to a piece of cardboard, which I'll then trim to size. Once I was happy with the shape, I then transferred the template outline to a piece of 4mm plywood. Unfortunately, I hadn't taken any video of applying the fabric. Check out my previous video for the headliner shelf, where I used the exact same technique of applying car carpet. Each of the cards is simply screwed into place. I first got it into position, then drilled out the other hot screw holes and fixed them into place. Overall, I am happy with the outcome. However, I think if I had spent more time in getting the curves right, it would have come out even better. Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. You should also check out our previous videos. In the next video, I will go through the awning installation. Bye for now.